Welcome back to the vlog, guys. So we're getting right into it again. We got a little package delivery from Insane Shaft Axles and Full Race. So I had a half shaft, guys, but my buddy needed one, so I went ahead and sold him the one on the car, and we went ahead and replaced it. Let me give the camera to my son Jordan. We went ahead and replaced the half shaft with a Insane Shaft one. Look how nice this thing is. So this is good for apparently 500 horsepower, but we are going to take it a little bit further than that. So hopefully this should last. I mean, I didn't have an issue with the stock one. I just bought the Insane Shaft because it was a couple dollars more, and I sold my buddy my old one. So we got this now. All right, so that's our half shaft. We also have these are swap axles from Insane Shaft. Let me get a little close up right here. So we got our 92 to 2000 EK, DA, DC. These are the K-swap axles from Insane Shaft. So we got that one, and I believe this is the right side. And we have our left side here. Let's go ahead and pop this baby open. So we got one. And we have our axles, guys. So we got our right side axle and our left side axle and our half shaft. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and put in is the half shaft. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So line it up, push it in. That's pretty much it. And then you got the bolts. So two of them have a shoulder, and one of them doesn't. So the two that have a shoulder should go one right here. And the other one that has a shoulder should go right at the bottom of that one. And then the last one goes right over here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that down real quick. All right. And one more. All right, so we got our half shaft put on. So now we're gonna put in our right side axle. Take our nut off. Take our castle nut off the bottom of the joint. I'm gonna whip that to the side. And then you're gonna come over here and push this guy in right into the drive shaft. Give it a nice little hit, put it in. axle nut. Now I can tighten everything down. And the axle nut. So we got our right side in, connected to our half shaft. Let's go put the left side in, guys. Same thing. I'm gonna take the castle nut off the bottom of the ball joint. I'm gonna pop this guy out. Let that sit right there. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this guy in, right in here, guys. Put it right in there. Make sure it's in. Now we gotta put it through the knuckle. Put the castle nut back on. Okay. Now we got both our axles put in, guys. Woohoo! All right, so we got both the axles in, and now we got this box from Full Race